The only thing I can recall of anti-Semitism to speak of was the during the Second World War when I was a kid. Uh, in the late 30s, there was a German-American Bund, and they walked around with Nazi flags and goose stepped and all. And my uncles, who were Starkers, both of them butchers, uh, decided that they wanted to do something about it. So they got together all their soccer team, which was Hakoah, a soccer team, all Jewish soccer team, and called the local sheriff and said, "We're going out there to bust up the camp. Would you allow us to do that?" And the sheriff said, "Go right ahead." And they busted up the camp, and that was the end of the German-American Bund.